Yo, I never fucked Wayne, I never fucked Drake. All my life, man, fuck's sake. Nobody but tape. Yeah, that was a setup for a punchline on duct tape.
Y'all ready? Because I'm not ready to show you guys this. So are y'all ready? I don't think y'all could be ready, but let's go.
Y'all think if I hunch one of the guards, they'll sneak me out of here? Quickly, y'all, it's only one fine one. Man, I was gonna introduce y'all to my cellmate, but I wake up and the hoe just standing up staring at me. I socked her, the K2 got her, y'all. Damn. Hey, y'all, I'm here with Officer Johnson, big ass. Yo, some music still ass, but
You going in a hole.
Guys, it seems like AI influencers are now taking over TikTok. We got them out here doing mukbangs, vlogging,
Sharking with me, y'all. The ninjas is outside.
making relationship content. Now, I know I'm not the only one who finds something very, very strange about these videos. Okay, the entire video is weird. The everything about this is very weird and just dystopian. But do you guys see anything else weird about these videos? Is anything... I know it's not going over y'all's head.
hold up. PERD. That's one cluster down, 39 to go. I'm basically a licensed esthetician now. Y'all see the vision? I look like a tired fairy, a sexy one.
Y'all all L, look at me. I did that. Don't ask me to do them again. I was fighting for my damn life.
Ain't nothing about you natural, honey.
Be quiet because I will naturally unplug you, boo-boo. You have type 2 diabetes.
I knew it. Diabetes ran in my family for generations.
Nobody runs in your family.
And I still look better than you. Bitch, screw you. Back in your day, you didn't have...
That these videos are racist. I hope that you guys could see how racist some of this is. And I don't know why. I just have a really strong feeling that these are not being created by Black people. I gotta find out. No, I gotta find out, because regardless of what, these are so offensive, but like, I have a feeling Black people are not making these. Like, so many harmful stereotypes are being reinforced with these AI influencers. Like, they're reinforcing the idea that Black people only have toxic relationships.
Jessica, once again, yo, baby daddy found his way in my bed, bitch. He's good over here.
Reinforcing the idea that we love fried chicken. Like why is she eating the why the idea that we're loud and classless, that we disrespect like elderly people, that we would be like a nurse in a hospital disrespecting our patient like that. Like, so many things like have occurred. I've seen so many scenarios with these AI influencers, and all the Black ones are negative. Like, what? And I was basically like asking people, how are they like getting these people to talk like this? And they're like, they already know this language and stuff. Like, no, but like the inflections in their voice and like the accents and like all of that, like, this is getting really, really, really scary. But like, also, yes, these stereotypes are crazy, but like, one of the craziest things to me about all of this is the fact that people are like actually getting invested into some of these stories. Like, it's doing what they want it to do, because it's drawing a lot of attention, to the point where it's not just people hating on it and being like, this is foul, or people being like, this is weird. It's also people being like, wait, what's gonna happen next? Like, with these like little soap operas, these little Black soap operas that we have going on.
Bitch! Don't make me clock you! I'll clock you into a casket!
Clean up this room now.
You clean it, hoe! I didn't ask you to birth me, so don't boss me around, old bitch! Why you lying? We never cracked. All we did was smoke. You want to be grown? Go be grown somewhere on the streets of Chicago. Gee, you know it ain't safe out there. But at this point, I'ma leave myself. I never gave a fuck.
I just got kicked out the crib. You the reason this happened, so you gonna have to ask your mama to let me stay in.
Can my girl come stay at our crib? She got kicked out.
Yeah, she can stay. I support whatever y'all got going on.
Hey, I'm finna go hop in the shower.
What is happening? The anti-Black propaganda that some of this AI has been showing is like extremely devastating to the Black community right now.
After we put our pajamas on, I'm gonna talk to you about what happened.
Hey, and I want to apologize for what I did.
It's 8. You had me singing like Mariah, but did you pull out?
You never told me to. My bad, shorty. What?
Okay, I'm ready to take this test.
What?
I just took the test degree, and it turns out that
To be continued, bitch, no!
There are people who are like, what's gonna happen next? Including me. Like, low-key, what's gonna happen next? So I'm kidding, but like, this is crazy. This is really crazy to me. And then the whole skincare thing, there's a bunch of skincare videos that are out as well with these fake black influencers, and it may seem innocent to you guys, but it's actually scary how they can use black people to sell products without actually paying us. And I know that they do AI with other races, but I actually have seen a lot of like the skincare and like a lot of the promotion of skincare products involving black people. These realistic influencers have been made with black women a lot of the times, and it's just something that can escalate really quickly. And to see that there are people in the comments who are complimenting this AI generated person, yeah, like I said, it's getting really crazy out here, guys. And a lot of influencers are getting worried too, because this is a threat to their livelihood, like understandably, because if we're gonna have a lot of these fake people, cheaper labor, able to promote stuff, what is the point? Especially if other people are gonna fall for it and be like, ooh, sis, you're so tea, your skin is so good. Ooh, what did you say that product was? Like, this is actually happening. Like, people actually believe that some of these people are real. And yo, the way whoever is making these is aware of the influence black people have, and they're like purposely using black people, I strongly believe that whoever's creating these is not black. And I might be 100% wrong, but I don't think this person's black. And I feel like they realize that when it comes to like influencing and promoting products, especially beauty products, black people tend to dominate while getting very little credit, and it's like they're reinforcing it. Time and time again, I see a lot of black influencers setting the wave, setting trends, but then a white influencer actually ends up getting credit for it, or a white person actually ends up being the one to truly popularize it in a sense, because they end up getting the platform to actually blow up and take it to that other level. And this is only going to make situations like that worse. So I just hate to see it, to be honest. On top of the fact that they're doing things like trying to convince people that we can't spell. Why do I keep hearing P-E-R-E-O-D? Why do I keep hearing P-E-R-E-O-D in these videos? Like, can we be for real? Like, I feel like that's on purpose too. Or am I missing some sort of joke here? I don't know. Some of the sayings that I've seen in these videos, just, it's like funny, but then it's like also like, why are they trying to make every single one of these hood? Like the Nissan Altima thing.
Girl, you will not believe what just happened. I was on the highway and this car just... Watch out, bitch!
What is going on? Those are really terrible because you could actually see like multiple arms and stuff like that. So those are like not even believable. But it's like, bro, what is going on? Singing like Mariah? Excuse me? Like, just the whole teen pregnancy? Like, what? I don't know, y'all. It's a lot going on right here, and this is very exploitative.
And to cover all our bills, rent, gas, and take care of our families. This Inflation Reduction Act, it's a one-time thing for real. It's like them stimulus checks, but on a whole other level. But here's the thing, it ain't just gonna drop in your account. You gotta get up and go get that money. As long as you ain't on Medicaid, you can claim your 5 bands. I did it, and I had my 5K spending card in a couple of days. The whole process took me like 3 minutes. For real, it takes me longer to hit up my 7-Eleven than it did to get this money. When I tried to put my homegirls on, they had the nerve to say, nah, this sounds like a scam. How you know they gonna let you keep that money? Y'all bugging. This why so many of y'all stay broke. You get a chance to grab 5 bands, you don't gotta pay back, don't even need a job, and the first thing you say is, it's a scam, just because you too lazy to check it out.
Look at her. AI is out of control, boo.
That's the word I feel That's the word I feel inclined to use here, because what more can I say?
Sneak out for this little 2 minutes. We really out here. Y'all, they better be fine. For missing your birthday dinner, but not the man who forgot your birthday.
Anyway, you guys, I just wanted to come on here real quick and talk about these new Black AI influencers because, like, come on, did you guys think I wasn't going to come here and share this with you? Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm really excited to hear what you guys think about all of this. Like this video, of course, if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you feel like it. Share this video. Share it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.